Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best rotary saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dremel 4300-540th rotary saw. This rotary saw features a high-powered motor. Therefore, it offers maximum performance, even if the application is very demanding. Another advantage of this rotary saw is that it is compatible with all Dremel accessories because it has a universal 3-jaw chuck. It also features a variable speed of 5,000 to 35,000 RPM and electronic feedback. This ensures accurate tool control and consistent performance. Additionally, the pivot light rotates to illuminate the projects in difficult-to-reach places. The ventilation mechanism prevents the buildup of heat, thus ensuring cooler, smoother, and quieter operation. Its slim and ergonomic design offers a 360-degree grip zone. This makes it comfortable to hold and easy to use. Last but not least, it has replaceable brushes for extended tool life. Finally, it weighs 1.18 pounds. Moving on at number 4, we have the Makita XOC01Z Cordless Rotary Cutting Tool. The 18 volts LXT rotary saw is a very efficient and powerful choice for drywall contractors. For fast cutting, it provides 30,000 RPM. The next feature of this rotary saw is the slim body design, which ensures improved comfort. A lithium-ion slide-style battery of 18 volts powers this rotary saw. This battery takes less time to charge, but it works for long. Uniquely, it is cordless, but its cutting power and performance are likened to coated rotary saws. It weighs 3.7 pounds only for reduced fatigue when you use it. Then again, its shaft lock button is conveniently located and large to ensure fast bit changes. Lastly, it features easy and quick depth adjustment since it requires no tools. At number 3, we have the DEWALT DCS551B 20 volts rotary tool. The DEWALT rotary saw is cordless and has 26,000 RPM motor. This ensures fast cutting in plywood, acoustical ceiling tiles, and drywall. This rotary saw also has a bright LED light for illuminating dark surfaces to ensure accurate cutting. The dust-sealed switch helps to protect the tool against the ingestion of dust. Thus, this makes it long-lasting. On top of that, it has a slim and lightweight design. The collet's diameter is 1/4 inches, 1/8 inches, and the weight is 2 pounds. Therefore, it is easy to hold or lift. You do not need any tools to change the bit. This makes it easy to use. Moreover, it features a battery and charger, but they are sold separately. At number 2, we have the Milwaukee 2460-20M 1212 volts bare rotary tool. This rotary saw uses a potent 12 volts motor and incorporates red lithium battery technology. Therefore, it offers increased runtime and high performance. It runs from 5,000 to 32,000 RPM. Hence it is powerful. Then again, it is versatile, and its size makes it ideal for electricians, maintenance contractors, remodelers, and plumbers. For fluid control, it has variable speeds. Additionally, this rotary saw is compatible with all shank accessories between 1/32 inch and 1/8 inch. Hence, it offers access to grinding, cutting, polishing, and sanding solutions. Since you do not need any tool, it is simple to use this rotary saw. Measuring 9.5 inch in length and 1.3 pounds in weight, it is compact and lightweight. Having a protected front bearing and exhaust ports, it is durable. And finally at number 1, we have the Dremel 8050N 18 Micro 18 Accessories Cordless Rotary Tool. If you need a powerful rotary saw, Dremel rotary saw is perfect for you. First, it has an LED light, which helps to illuminate projects and enhance visibility. Then again, the LED battery life lights alert you when the battery is low. Moreover, its ergonomic design makes it good for light-duty projects. Its 8-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery produces compact power for long working hours. Its slim and ergonomic body ensures added comfort and perfect grip during long hours of work. Furthermore, it features a docking station that charges the tool continuously. Therefore, it always remains fully charged and good to use. Last but not least, it features a high-density plastic material. Finally, it has a warranty for 2 years. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.